DJI Mini 4 Pro Hyperlapse. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. Like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. I'm having a lot of fun with this DJI Mini 4 Pro. Today I went up and did a couple of different hyperlapses. One at one angle, one at a different angle. So let's go ahead and roll that clip. Okay, we're going to take the DJI Mini 4 Pro up and we're going to do hyperlapse with it, and taking off from my driveway here. So let's go ahead and get screen recording started. Okay, that is underway, and we're moving the icon where it's not going to cause any problems here. We have 20 satellites. Let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and adjust that to. Okay. Let's go ahead and take off. Go ahead and stop that. There we go. All right. Get up to about 120 feet here. Okay, we're good there. Let's go ahead and get it over to 301 where we're going to be able to catch some. I'm going to just pitch the gimbal here a little bit. Adjust the course here a little bit. Okay, this is a good perspective here. We're going to go ahead and do hyperlapse from here. Okay, it is all ready to go. Let's go ahead and get started. It's interesting, you know where I fly. I fly 3 places around here. My driveway takes the longest time to acquire GPS for some reason. Maybe our development sits, with our part of the development sits a little bit lower than the rest of the development, so I'm not sure if that has anything to do with it or not. It is just an ideal day here in Florida. We just found out this week we may be getting into the 90s, and it's the second week of November, so go figure. What I really like this time of year, though, is the lower humidity. It's very noticeable, and it's probably my favorite time of the year in Florida. It's just set to take 125 pictures, and we're on about 33 of them right now. Hyperlapse is a wonderful feature. I'm very glad DJI added this to their drones. It's been around for a while, and I really like it. And we're approaching 50. We're getting close to halfway done here. 65 out of 125 right now. %, battery. Just hit 75. Hit 85. A little over a minute left. Got 1 minute left, 95 out of 125. And what's nice is it does all the processing for you. I mean, this is just incredible. It used to be you just have to bring this into your video editing software and piece it together, and you don't have to do that. It's all done internally.
Is ready to complete.
Five more to go. Okay, there it is. It's finished up. It is creating the video as we speak. Okay, what we're going to do is I'm going to do another one here. Let's go ahead and kind of adjust things here a little bit.
Video created successfully.
And that's definitely good news here. Let's go ahead and move forward here a little bit. And we're going to take a little bit more, just that gimbal here, so we're going to get that pretty much in the frame here. We're going to do a little bit of a different shot here, so let's go ahead and start it again here. %, battery, 24 satellites. Really kind of an ideal altitude. It's 156 feet here. And what amazes me, we do have a little bit of a breeze. It's a little bit of a breezy day today. Mini 4 Pro is rock steady. That's just absolutely incredible. Getting up to 40 right now. Just hit 70% battery. The signal strength on the Mini 4 Pro is absolutely fantastic. One thing I gotta say about 04, it is a excellent system, and it's very sharp and crisp and clear here on my display. And just just hitting 60. And we're getting 2 minutes left here. Coming up on 75 here. About 1:40 left. DJI has made it very easy to do these. Just hit 85. Coming up on 1 minute left. Less than 1 minute now. Our friendly voice should be telling us this from DJI.
Hyperlapse is ready to complete.
Less than 30 seconds. %64 battery left. And it's getting ready to finish up. And there it is. It is creating the video right now. And we should get a message here in a second that it's complete.
Video created successfully.
All right, it has been created successfully. I'm going to go ahead and return to home
Return
here.
to home.
Hey, our return to home is fantastic. I absolutely love it. And see, they're working on a lot of the homes in our area here. It is a bit windy up there, as you can hear the ESCs are doing their thing right now, so.
Landing.
See if we're on target here. Yeah, you definitely hear everything compensating for. Let's see where we end up here. I think we're going to do real good. It's breezy. It's buffeting it like crazy. Okay, it just barely made the outskirt of the pad, but that's okay. That was a great flight, and that was a good demonstration of Hyperlapse on the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Question of the day: what did you think of DJI Mini 4 Pro Hyperlapse? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.